Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope so you are fine and healthy. Welcome to our Rangers Public School and College Bahawalpur. Introduction is here. Class 7 Unit 2 Topic Clean and Green. Subtopic Determiners. I am teacher Noreen. Today's the message of the day. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Topic is introduction is here. Define determiners. What are the different types of determiners? Objectives are here. At the end of the lecture, students will be able to identify the determiners, classify the types of determiners, use in sentence appropriately. Determiners. Previous knowledge. Do you know what determiners? You use a and the, me, mine, all, both, first, one, a few, etc. in speaking and writing, listening and reading. Determiners, first of all, we look the definition of determiners, a word placed before a noun to provide information such as quantity, ownership and specificity. Examples, articles, a and the. A dog owns nothing yet is seldom dissatisfied. Next is possessive, me, my, your, his, their, host, your, guest, and also his dog. Your and his are possessive determiners. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those. You can't control this dog. This is a demonstrative, is also used for. Quantifiers, few, some, six, numbers. When two dogs fight over a bone, the third carries it away. Two is a quantifiers. Next, there are 6 types of determiners. Determiners are used in front of nouns to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or a something of a particular type. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those. Articles, a and the. Possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, your, their. Ordinal numbers, first, second, third, last. Next. Quantifiers, some, any, every, more, much, few, little. The numerals numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 50, hundreds. Next is, first of all, we look what is an article. Article used before a noun or noun phrases to limit or define them. Types of articles. Definite article, the, points out a particular person or thing in the sense of this or that. Examples, give me the book, that specific book. Indefinite article, a or an, refers to non-specific singular person or thing in the sense of one or any. Examples, give me a book, an orange, any, book or orange. A used when the next word starts with the consonant or before words starting in U is a singular sound, and EU, you. And when this sounds like you. First is you, cup, up, and EU sound, you sound. And a boy, a uniform. And when the next word starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, or with a mute H, an apple, an or, an honest. Possessive determiners. Next point is words like my, our, your, his, her, it, and they are known as possessive determiners. They come before nouns or indicate ownership of the noun in a question, as their names suggest. My leg hurts, Moise sold his house, bring your books with you, these are our pencils. She took her cake. My, his, your, our, her, possessive determiners. Quantifiers. Quantifiers are words that express a quantity and a modified noun. Quantifiers work with countable nouns, uncountable nouns, or with both. For example, I have got a little money to see the fair. Quantifiers in English, for example, quantifiers are used at the beginning of a noun phrase. They are used to express an amount or a degree of something. They are also used with persons. With countable nouns, a majority of, a number of, several, many, a large number of, a few, very few, a great number. With countable nouns, much, a bit, a great deal of, a large quantity of, a large amount of, a little, very little. Quantifiers are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Enough, all, more, most, less, least, no, none, any, not any, some, plenty of, lots of. Now we will read the chapter, page number 28, the determiners. Look at the page number 28. All means everything in a group, 3 or more. We usually use all of before noun phrases. I have tried to teach all my friends how to help conserve the environment, all of us enjoying in clean and green surrounding. Next is both, plural noun, both, brothers. Both refers to two people or things. We use both before a plural noun. We can use both or both of before noun phrases. For example, both bad agriculture practices and the dumping of industrial and urban waste are example of the land pollution. Next example, student thought both of the exams were difficult. Next is tip box. Yes, we must use all of and both of before object pronouns as you, them. For example, each, singular noun, each song. Each refers to a single member of a group. We use each with singular nouns only. Each individual person on the planet can help to conserve the environment by. Have you got this example? Every singular noun, every person. Every refers to all members of a group. It has a similar meaning to all, but we use every with singular nouns. Every page on this book has a number. This is the last example of this. And next we will do the first exercise. We will solve, complete the text with all, both, each. First is, all of the students in my school recycle. I think it is because each teacher in our school sets a good example for us as they all recycle too. In each class we have 2 students who are in change of remaining the rest of us to be more environmentally friendly. For example, next is both of them help to collect our used paper and plastic bottles for recycling in the different color bins that are near the school's gate. Every bin is meant for objects of a certain type of material, so this helps to sort our items before we send them for recycling. And the last filling the blanks is, all of us are keen to start recycling at home as well, so we can plan to tell our parents about what we have learned at school. The next exercise is exercise number 2. Complete the second sentence with the words in brackets and all, both, each or every. Make sure it has the same meaning as the first. The first is, everyone in my school, in my class knows about the importance of recycling. Students. Students in my class know about the importance of recycling. All students in this blank, all students in my class know about the importance of recycling. Number 2, I make it a point to swim all the lights in my house off before I leave. Light. I make it a point to switch off each light in my house before I leave. The next exercise is number 3. I am going to help out at a beach cleanup with my mother and father, parents. Both parents are going to help out a beach cleanup with me. Number 4. She always helps out at the charity store on Saturdays and Sundays. Weekend. She helps out at the charity store every weekend. Number 5. Mariam knows everyone in the environment club. The bracket word is members. Mariam knows all members in the environment club. Number 6. They are differently colored to help you sort your items. Recycling bin. Each recycle bin is differently colored to help you sort your items. Recap, students. Have you got this all points? Define determiners. Tell types of determiners. What is an article? What do you know about possessive determiners? And have you got the quantifiers? This is the last. Follow up your work, your homework. Page number 22, exercise number 3. You will solve it and send back your teacher. Thanks for watching me. See you soon again in next lecture, the remaining of the determiners, students. Thank you.